Today I'm going to show you how I made a mobile for our nursery. You'll need an 8-inch embroidery hoop, some string, an animal garland, pom-pom garland, scissors, and a hot glue gun. First, you'll start by removing the inner hoop from your embroidery hoop. Here I'm using a string that I found that's about the same diameter as the elephant garland one. Next, you'll wrap the string around the hoop. To start, I left a little piece out that you'll wrap around to secure it to the hoop. And once you're near the end, you'll just wrap the string around the little extra piece at the end and dab a little bit of hot glue on there to secure it. And once the glue kind of dries, I like to press it into the string a little bit just so it's smoother, and then snip off the excess string and add a little more glue for extra security. Then you'll take your elephant garland and cut it apart into 5 equal lengths. And then add a little hot glue to the end of the string so that the elephant doesn't slide off. Next, you'll just evenly space out the pom-poms on each of the elephant garlands, and then you will equally space them around the hoop. Once you have them evenly spaced out, add a little dab of hot glue, and once the glue kind of cools, you can press the glue into the strings so that it lays a bit flatter. And then you'll repeat that for all 5 of them. Now you'll take your pom-pom garland and evenly space out the pom-poms for each strand. I have them about 3 inches apart here and we'll need 4 strands. Then you'll take your top main strand and attach 3 other strands to the bottom of the main strand. And once they're all attached, trim any excess string that you have. And then you'll push the pom-pom on top of the knots that you just created and add a little dab of hot glue just to make sure that everything is secure there. Then make sure your pom-poms are evenly spaced out, and we're going to attach them around the hoop. This part was a little tricky, trying to figure out exactly where each strand should be located around the hoop so that it didn't wobble or anything. So don't tighten your knots too tight until you get the exact right placement for them. You may have to tighten them, shift them around, but once you find the right spot, trim off the string and add a bit of hot glue and push the little pom-pom on top of the hot glue spot so that you don't see that. And there you go. Here's your super customizable, easy to make mobile that's much more affordable than some of the other wool felt options out there. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you think in the comments.